right, a quick recap of the conjugation in Spirogyra. Like I said, two filaments are needed. The two filaments, outgrowths will be formed. Then they grow towards each other until they meet. Outgrowths, growth meet. When the outgrowth meet, the cell wall will disintegrate. Disintegration of, of cell exchange of their nuclei contents. The filaments are going to exchange their contents. As you know, two different strains are involved in the reproduction, male and female. The male gametes will now migrate into the female gamete. Exchange or migration, and as a result of this, after this, zygote is formed. Zygote is formed. When the two outgrowths, when they meet, we have conjugation tube formed. This is a conjugation tube. And after zygote formation that we have here, the zygote is going to develop a thick wall to surround itself so that it can survive. So that this zygote now becomes zygospore. Zygospore. Then, after the zygospore is formed, the cell wall will disintegrate. We disintegrate to release the new filament, and the new filament sinks to the bottom of water until the conditions favorable to them are on ground, so that they will now continue their life. This is a conjugation in Spirogyra, which is a sexual means of reproduction. The next I want to take is conjugation in Paramecium. Just like that of Spirogyra, two paramecia cells are needed, and these are the paramecia. And the two paramecia, they will come together. They will come together and be united through their oral groove. You know, in the structure of the Spirogyra, you know, a structure like this structure, we have meganucleus and micronucleus in the paramecium. After they have united, the meganucleus is going to disappear. It's going to disintegrate, disappear, remaining the micronucleus for each of them. Now, the micronucleus is shown here. This is the micronucleus. Each of the micronuclei, I mean the micronucleus of each of the conjugates, we now divide twice. And when each of them divides twice, 4 haploid cells are produced as a result of the division. Out of the 4 haploid cells produced, this one micronucleus, please, I want you to be following me. Each of what I'm saying is taking place in the two paramecia. Now, the one of the 4 that remains will now undergo unequal cell division. Form 2 unequal. Let's go from here. The paramecia are still together. 3 of them will go away. 3 of them disappear, disintegrate, remaining 1. Mind you, the micronucleus that divides undergoes equal division to give 4 haploid nuclei. The one that remains out of the micronuclei we know. When this one undergoes unequal, let's still show that this is the oral groove of the two. Now, we now have the micronucleus dividing unequally. You can see this is unequal division. This one is small. The same thing applies to this one. Now, out of the two now, the small one represents the male nucleus. It represents male nucleus. While the big one represents the female nucleus. Small one, male nucleus. Into the big nucleus, which is the female here. Here, female, this is a male. The male of this now migrates into the adjacent cell to unite with the female nucleus to form a zygote. A zygote is formed, while also the male of this, which is small, will now come and unite with the female of this adjacent paramecium to form zygote. And after this is formed, the cell wall at this their point of meeting will now disintegrate so that these cells that are formed are released. These are the new paramecia formed. These are the new paramecia formed that are going to remain in a state of quiescence or in a dormant state until the conditions that favor their existence or survival are on ground, are met. That is when they now begin to live. Now, one thing I can pick from this my discussion is that the organisms, they consider this conjugation when the conditions are adverse for them to survive. And what is the essence of this consideration is to preserve their genetic content from extinction, from destruction. This is conjugation in Spirogyra and Paramecium. At the end of the day, 4 daughter nuclei are produced by the Paramecia that undergo conjugation. Now, let us try to answer these questions together. How many conjugates are involved in the sexual reproduction of Paramecium? The answer is 2 conjugates are involved. No dispute with this. No dispute with this. And then we come to the end of the class for today. I hope to meet you in the next class.